the equipment they needed for you.
Are you a toddler?
Say not anymore. So
You're a
I'm
big girl. Are you feeling a little bit better, sweetie pie? You watching TV? She's got a... It's a dinosaur, Poppy.
Oh, dinosaur.
Right, Dommy? It's a dinosaur?
Poppy doesn't know the difference between a dinosaur and a chicken. And Dommy, did your feet get warm?
Yeah. She's so cute. When the doctor, the ambulance guy came, he goes, "What's wrong with you?" She waited. She goes, "My heart."
Yeah.